Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 22nd. Yes, the third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this will be number 2049. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no and there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two O's comes an one. Double one here, no, there, no. We have here four O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. And then between two O's comes an one. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 here. Do not know in which order, so we have 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, and 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Then let me see. I think we need to compare. We have a double O. Yeah. We need to compare. 2, 3. Double O. Yeah. We need to compare. 3, 4. Yeah. O10. Do we have O10 here? O10. 1 1. 001. 001. Where is the opening? The opening. 2, 3, 4. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that was a search. This column and that column. Empty box. 00111000011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Aha. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. We have now 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And now not the same here. Do we have a... Yeah. Can we see this? The last column and the first column. 00011 empty box. Empty box 00111. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary. I like this one. With 2 times comparing. And you need to search the right column or right... Yeah, the right column, yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.